Syd Hoff's Danny and the Dinosaur. The Big Sneeze. Hello there, everyone. Today we're going to read Syd Hoff's Danny and the Dinosaur, The Big Sneeze. Written by Bruce Hale, illustrated in the style of Syd Hoff by Charles, colors by David Cutton. It's a rainy day, but a fun day. Danny and the dinosaur got drenched. "See you tomorrow," they said to each other. What a fun day it must have been. But the next day, Danny woke up with a sore throat and sniffles. And the dinosaur had a little cough. Not so fun, was it? "You're staying in bed, buddy," said Danny's father. "And I'm taking care of you," said Danny's mother. But I'm not that sick, Mom." "Better safe than sorry, right? Right?" At the museum, the director told the dinosaur, "You need to take a day off." "But I'm not that sick," said the dinosaur. "Get some rest," said the director. What a nice guy. Hadn't given him a tissue and everything. Danny's mother covered him in lots of blankets to keep him warm and cozy. That's nice. The museum director did his best to make Dinosaur comfortable. That's so nice of the museum director. I'm sure Dinosaur's pretty comfortable, isn't he? Danny's mom brought him soup for his sore throat. Chicken soup. I've heard it's really good for sniffles. The director brought him some water for his cough. What a nice guy the director is. Wait, is that a tub of water? Actually, that's pretty normal for his size. The day seemed longer than forever. There was nothing to do but lie in bed. Must have been pretty boring having nothing to do. Danny and the dinosaur felt bored. Danny's mom brought out an old jigsaw puzzle. I like jigsaw puzzles. They're pretty fun. Danny picked up the dinosaur. Sorry, I can't play today. I'm sick in bed." "Me too," said the dinosaur. "Being sick is no fun. Feel better soon." The director let the dinosaur play with a jigsaw puzzle too. Those are some nice jigsaw puzzles. 3D. Danny's mother played cards with him to pass the time. Ooh, playing cards is fun. At the museum, the dinosaur tried playing rock, paper, scissors, but the cavemen were no fun to play with. Yes, they're cavemen, so probably not. Danny sneezed. "Ouch! Ouch! Ouch!" His mom brought him tissues. But when the dinosaur sneezed, everyone ran and hid. Must have been a big sneeze, that achoo. Barely recreated it. At the end of the day, Danny and the dinosaur each curled up in their own beds with a good book and got plenty of rest to feel better soon. What a nice story. The next morning, Danny and the dinosaur woke up feeling much better. They were well enough to go outside. Nice. This is so fun. "How was your sick day?" Danny asked. "Not bad," said the dinosaur. Not bad indeed, especially playing rock, paper, scissors with cavemen. "But nothing beats feeling better," said the dinosaur. "Except maybe spending time with your best buddy," said Danny. Ooh, that is pretty fun though. This is very fun. Alright, that's all for today. This wraps it up, so please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching this story and reading with me. Bye.